If your data finishes in 3 days when it should last a week, then there's problem. Don't worry, I'm here to fix that problem for you. I am Blessing. I've spent 3 years as a customer sales representative in a telecommunication company, and trust me, I've heard this complaint a thousands of times. My data just disappear. Oh, they are deducting my data. My data is not lasting. Oh, the network is bad. It's everything that is removing my data. Blah blah blah. A lot of people come in complaining about how their data disappear, how they use their data they're supposed to use for a week in a day. I've heard a lot of complaints about that, and it always lead back to one thing, and that's why I'm making this video today to show you the reason why and how to fix it to make your data last longer. Because trust me, it's not your data is not disappearing or sharing with anybody. You are the one using it, and I'm going to tell you how you are using it, that a data that is supposed to last you for a 1 week does not even last you a day. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you 5 culprits that are eating your data on your phone that you have to be aware of, that you are not aware of, but after this video, you are going to be aware of them. And number 5 is the last but not least. I'm sure you have to like wait to the end to know the culprits that are eating your phone. You don't want to miss any of them. All these 5, they are doing their work, they are eating your data, and you don't know, and you think most people think it's the network cheating them. Oh, I'm not going to use MTN again. They are just like taking my data. They will just choke my data. Oh, I'm not using Glow again. Oh, I'm not using Airtel again. No, it's not network cheating you. They are culprits that are on your phone. They are eating your data and they are on your phone. So now I'm going to start with them one by one. Let's start with number 1 culprit. The first culprit that makes your data finish so fast is your settings that enable autoplay videos on social media. Both Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they are all set automatically to play videos as you scroll. You might think, oh, you are just browsing, but the more you scroll, the more they consume your data, because all those videos are being autoplay on the background. So here is how to fix it. For Facebook, go to your settings, tap on media and contacts, then videos and photos. Change autoplay from on mobile data and Wi-Fi to never autoplay videos. Do the same for the Instagram. Go to settings, account, cellular data use, and turn on use less data. And the same thing for TikTok as well. And the second culprit consuming your data is app updates. Your phone is set automatically to update app using mobile data. And one app update can be up to 50 MB to 500 MB. Imagine if you are updating 20 apps. That's your entire week's data gone. So here's how to fix it. Go to your app store or play store and turn off the auto update app, or set it to auto update app over Wi-Fi only. Then that way you can manually update all your apps that you want to update manually, or you can update them using your mobile data freely, knowing not them updating on their own in the background, which is consuming your data unknowingly and unnecessary. And the third culprit consuming your data is called cloud backup. Yes, Google Photos, iCloud, backup, all of these, they are in the same WhatsApp group. They are all uploading your photos and videos using mobile data. It is fine if you willingly want to like keep your chat, or you want your videos, you want to back them up. But if you don't need them, then it's okay to turn it off, because this will save your data and your storage. So for you to off your Google Photos and iCloud or WhatsApp backup, for Google Photos, go to the settings and turn off the backup and sync. And for WhatsApp backup, just go to your settings, WhatsApp, and go to the chat and turn up the backup just turn it off or turn it off to like back up over Wi-Fi only, and this will save your data that is consuming without you knowing. And the fourth culprit is YouTube quality settings. Yes, you heard me right. YouTube quality settings. If your YouTube settings is set to HD or high quality settings, there's tendencies that you are going to use more data than those who set their own to standard quality. 10 minutes video in HD can use like 150 200 MB, while in standard quality it can like only use 50 MB. Can you see the difference? So if you want to like save cost, save your data, change the settings to like SD. So for now, for you to go to your settings, open your settings, then data saving, turn it on. Turn your data saving for YouTube to save your data. And the fifth culprit consuming your data is called background app refresh. Apps like emails, news apps, all these weather apps, they are all refreshing in the background even when you are not using them. So it saves to turn it off now. So for the fix for the iPhone, go to the settings, general background app refresh, and turn it off completely or select over Wi-Fi only. And after these five tips, here is one bonus tips for me before I leave. I've learned this from hearing customer complain. One thing that save the most is turning on data saver. This actually like if you don't want your data to finish so fast and you are managing your data like I am, turn on that data saver mode because it actually saves a lot. And let me show you how to. For Android, go to your settings, network and internet, then you will see data saver. You can turn it off. Some even have it on like once you drag down your app like this, it's going to show you whether to turn it on or turn it off. And for iPhone settings, go to cellular, scroll down and turn off cellular data for apps you don't need outside Wi-Fi. So thanks for watching. If this has helped you in any way, don't forget to tell me in the comment section which culprit was consuming your data and hope you have turned it off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to share this to your friends, family and loved ones. And even that person that have been complaining to your ears that their data finished so fast or quickly or they don't know how their data disappeared. If this can help them in one or two ways. And thanks you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.